In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, Cosby!
Crafting with Cos, I'm Cos, and welcome back to Crafting with Cos if you're back for another DIY. So in this project, I'm going to be showing how I created this cute distressed graphic patches tee using some patches that I got from the craft store as well as the tee. And then I had some letters that I was going to use from a previous project that I never used. And so I created a cute slogan on the back which basically says happy camper because I'm trying to be a happy camper. And so I also got the patches on there that are like Girl Scout type of patches. So I think it turned out really cute. So if you want to see how I distressed this graphic tee, let's go over the materials and let's go ahead and let's get right started. So I started this project off by using the Arnold letters and basically positioning them on the shirt and getting them where I wanted them to be. And then I ran out of P's, so I'm using this R and turning it into another P. I ironed on the letters based on the instructions from the packaging. And then I started to use some fabric scissors to distress the tee. And I also used an X-Acto knife to distress and poke some more holes. Put some cardboard in between the shirt so I could distress it without scratching up the table. And I made sure to distress the collar and most of the seams. And then I grabbed a torch lighter so I could kind of burn the ends to keep it from fraying more, but I don't really know if that really did anything. Thanks for watching, and check out these other stylish DIYs on a budget.